So good day everyone. I am demonstrating laboratory for database administration and security. So I will show user and privilege management, database security, integrity and backup and recovery using PHP-MyAdmin with MySQL. So first is for the task 1 is admin user privileges. So nagbuhat na ako na siya ganun para diretso na. So admin user. So there is here I assigned all privileges to the admin user on the company DB database. So this allows full control including select, insert, update, delete, create and drop operations. So nana siya there, create privileges. Then next is for the staff here. So next is I assigned limited privileges to staff user. So this user can select, insert, and update but cannot delete records, which is a principle of least privilege. Next is pag-verify. Then SQL show grants for admin user active local host. So because PHP-MyAdmin uses auto login, so I verified privileges using the show grants command. So here we can see the staff user does not have delete privileges while admin user has all privileges on company DB. So next is to create a table. So nagbuhat na kong table dali daan, no? So name, departments of employees. So I created two tables, so departments and employees. So departments has a primary key and unique, so not null constraints. So while the employees has a foreign key referencing departments and not null and unique constraints to ensure data integrity. So muna siya ang dibuhat. So next is mag-insert. So I already insert ko like sulod which is kini. So if mag-insert kung isa pa, so insert ko og last ko if mag-insert ko, so nag-error siya. So the last query fails because the foreign key constraint prevents assigning an employee to a non-existent department. So, demonstrating database integrity enforcement. So, we also apply three security practices. So, first, primary and foreign keys. So, maintain data consistency. Second is not null and unique, prevent missing or duplicate critical data. So, third is principles of least privilege, like strong password and SQL injection awareness. Protect the database from unauthorized access. So, next is ang pag-export o backup. So, ang pag-export o backup ani guys is kini export. Then, so nagbuhat na ko daan, no? So, nag-export ko as a backup to preserve all data and structure. So, next is like i-simulate na ko ang data loss. Like, ako siyang i-drop. Database. So, i-drop na ko siya. So, I dropped the entire database. So, this represents a real disaster scenario. Like, so, next is ang pag-restore. So, mag-restore ko, mag-create ko database name company DB. And then, mag-import. I-import to na kung i-export na ko ganina. Here. So, finally, I restored the database from the backup file. So, all tables and data have been successfully recovered. So, demonstrating business continuity and the importance of backups. So, this concludes the demonstration of user and privilege management, database security and integrity, and backup and recovery using PHPMyAdmin. So, all tasks were successfully completed. So, para nabalik siya guys. So, that's all. Thank you.